how to download Alight Motion on PC. So if you want to download Alight Motion on PC, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with my Google browser. Go with the search and search for Alight Motion for PC. Once you've searched for Alight Motion, now you just need to simply go with the Alight Motion website, or simply search for Alight Motion download for PC, and it will directly have the website. So here on the first you will have it. You can simply click on the website, and if you scroll down here you will have download Alight Motion. So you just need to simply go with download Alight Motion, click on that. Once you click on it, it will start the installing process. On the upper right you will have your downloads. You can simply go with downloads and it will start installing or downloading. Once you've downloaded, you can double click on the file and it will start the installing process. In this way you'll be able to download Alight Motion for PC, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.